Hello, friends. Welcome back. This is not a technical session again. By the time we are discussing this session, already admissions have started for the people who have completed their high secondary examination or plus two, we call it in Tamil Nadu. So, what are the options available? I hear a lot of questions from this plus two students that, sir, I want to join engineering. What are all the available options? It's just not computer science engineering and it's just not ECE there. There are many more options available in engineering. What are all the options available in medicine? What other courses can we really try? So, I wanted to make a quick and a crispy session which can get you an update about what are all the available options for people who have completed their plus two. The biggest burning question is what next? We are going to answer the same but slowly and precisely. I hope this will be definitely useful. The first and the most appreciable option is NDA, the National Defense Academy. This is the academy where the Joint Services Academy of the Indian Armed Forces, where the cadets of the three services, the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, train together before they go on to the respective services academy. This is very good option, safe, and you can work for the country. It's a pride option. You can get more details about getting into this NDA through nda.nac.in, and this helps you to get into Indian Army or Navy or Indian Air Force. And a lot many people at the highest level today from all these services are trained through this NDA. This is the best and the first option that I would prefer you to go through, and this will definitely get you settled as well as you will get a pride to work for the nation. I think this is the best option. Right. Let's get into the next option, which is engineering. Normally, it is 4 years in India, and the eligibility becomes very simple. It's maths, physics, and chemistry. Right. For you, there are the entrance examinations available, and once you clear the entrance examinations like EAM, SET, JEE, AEEE, BITSAT, VAT, EE, VAT, Amrita entrance examinations, there are a lot many entrance examinations for each of these universities in the country, and some universities do admit based on the plus two scores, and you will become an engineer once you complete the course. What are the available options? There are many branches. When I went through it, I was stunned. There are really lot many branches than what I knew, so I thought I can present you to you. The first one is CSE, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Triple E, Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Textile Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering, Aerospace Engineering. There is a difference between aeronautical and aerospace. Remember, some universities are offering you aerospace engineering as well. Agricultural engineering, automobile engineering, biomedical engineering, biotechnology engineering, ceramic engineering, industrial engineering, environmental engineering, marine engineering, and mining engineering. I could have missed a few. Really, these many departments are there and your options are really plenty. So do not get stuck to just IT, just CSE, just Triple E, just ECE. If you cannot get ECE, you can go to the next option. If you cannot get mechanical, you can go to the other option. And agricultural engineering is gaining a lot of momentum. You can try that as well. Mining engineering is there in some of the universities in India. But only thing you need to know is where are these courses available used to be dig deeper and to be understood about it, without which you cannot get clear data. I mean, if you want to join mining engineering, there are very few universities in India which can offer you that. So go ahead and find out what is the procedure for you to get admitted there. And this is a real nice option for you. Go through each of this and this will be really helpful. Right. What next? Next is medicine, right? The prominent option available here is a NEET. You have no option. MBBS allopathy, which we call as the English medicine. So that's the first option. It's a 5-year course here. And Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery. This is Unani Health, and we have got a Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery option next. Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery is another option. If you cannot become MBBS allopathy, you can choose Unani, or you can go with homeopathy, or you can become Ayurvedic doctor, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. We call it BAMS. And you can also become Bachelor of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences, BNYS we call it. And dentistry, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, BDS we call it. You can become that. And BBSc, veterinary sciences are very good as well. It has got a lot of scope as well, so you can try that too. And finally, you've got physiotherapy option. All these are connected to medicine. So if you want to become a doctor, you need not be just allopathy doctor. You can be Unani, you can be a homeopathy doctor, you can be Ayurvedic, you can become a veterinary doctor. BDS and physiotherapy is gaining a lot of momentum throughout the country. People suffer with back pain, people suffer with a lot of injuries, and naturopathy and yogic sciences, people are now moving towards that as well. So it's just not MBBS in allopathy. It has got more things over there. It has got more options over there, so you can try to choose that also. Next is allied health sciences. Sir, I cannot get so much of score towards meet the MBBS or other requirements. So, but still I want to be with the medical field. What are all the options available? You've got many options available, and they are called allied health sciences. And BSc has the option, and B Farm is one of them. You can do B Farm. You can do BSc nursing. You can do occupational therapy. This is a very good course which is available in only very few universities in the country. Occupational therapy will help you in recovering and to do your work by yourself by giving some therapy. So it's a study. BSc occupational therapy is there. You can go through it. Anesthesia technology BSc, BSc cardiac care, BSc medical laboratory technology, BSc radiotherapy, BSc nuclear medicine, BSc operation theatre technology, BSc respiratory care, BSc physician assistant, and they are the courses that are all connected to medicine. Sir, I do not want engineering. I do not want medicine. What other options are available? There are options. Options are really plenty. You can do BA, linguistics, BA English, BA Tamil, BA literature. You can do a lot there. BA economics, psychology, fine arts, political sciences, sociology, library sciences, and history. I could have missed a few. Whatever I got to know, I have mentioned it here. So you have a lot of options in BA. And when you come to BSc, BSc math, physics, zoology, horticulture, computer science, home science, chemistry, biochemistry, information technology, and lot many more are there with respect to BSc. You can do traditional BCom or BCom with banking management, BCom with business administration, BCom with banking and insurance. You can do a lot. Other than these, you have got options available for BBA, which can lead you to MBA, BCA, which can lead you to MCA, BBM, or BAF. All these options are also there. So you can choose any of this, and all these options are available in our country for you to pursue your education. And you can choose any of them. And only thing that you need to know is you need to write the respective entrance examinations or follow the respective admission procedures across the country. I wish you all the best, and the plus 2 candidates do well, and wish to see you all as a graduate scholars sometime very soon. Thank you very much.